What's the meaning of Antichrist? Antichrist. 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 Antichrist.
Antichrist refers to a figure prophesied in the Bible who will challenge the authority of Christ and lead an opposition against him. The term has also been used more broadly to describe any person or entity that opposes Christianity or its values. In modern culture, the concept of the Antichrist has been popularized in works of fiction, where it is often portrayed as a malevolent force seeking to destroy the world. Overall, the Antichrist represents an embodiment of evil and opposition to the divine, serving as a warning against the dangers of turning away from holy teachings.